Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video I will show you some bullish indicators in the Bitcoin chart that are flashing right now. So make sure that you watch this video to the very end. And also, if you enjoy the content that I share with you, make sure to press the like button down below. Let's jump right into it. So we're going to start here once again at the daily time frame, and what we can see right here in the green circles that I've done here is a bullish divergence on the daily that I was talking about in yesterday's video, and this also flashed on the 1 hourly chart that I also showed you on yesterday's video. And this indicator, when we are getting this bullish divergence in the relative strength index that you can see down here, indicates that we're probably going to see some kind of sideways movement to the upside like this. Um, Keep in mind though that the white line you can see here is weekly support and resistance zones. So you can see here right now that it looks like that we are getting rejected at this area here. And you can see that this area has acted as support here on previous occasions here. So I would also like to show you a little bit in the short term here. So we jump to the 4 hourly chart here, and what you can see is that this support and resistance zone that I was talking about, if you look what happens in the previous in the history here, you can see that if you look back here, we broke down, we continued to the next support and resistance zone down here, and we reversed back up again. We closed a 4 hourly candlestick over this support and resistance, and we got through the next support and resistance zone also. You can see that every time we're closing a 4 hourly candlestick above these supports and resistance, we often break to the next big resistance zone. So you can see more clearly here on the 4 hourly chart that it looks like that we are getting a rejection here, and maybe we are forming some kind of pattern like this and maybe go up for a retest here, or breaking down and test this support here at 31,200 approximately. So you can see, as I said earlier in this video, that it looks like we are getting this reaction here. We have a little support zone that are coming in right here. So maybe we can see some retest of this support and resistance zone at 33,400 again here. Otherwise, we are most likely going down to these areas again to 31,000 and testing this support and resistance areas. If we were to close a 4 hourly candlestick above this support and resistance line, we are most likely going to the next line up here at 34,800 level. And in that case, that would mean that we are going to switch to an uptrend on the 4 hourly time frame. So I will show you the thing I talked about on the weekly chart here. See, so we have a good zoom in here. I will actually take away so you can see it more clearly. Okay, so we have this big support and resistance zone at 29 to 31k approximately, and this support holds very strong, as you can see, with big wicks when prices hit these areas. uh, However, what we can see right now, I said it yesterday, that as long as we are above this ribbon, these two lines over here, the 50 EMA and the 55 exponential moving average here, we are still in an uptrend on the weekly chart. So the weekly candlestick closes in 14 hours from now. And if we want to see the bullish scenario, we need to close this candlestick over 33,500 here, and that would also be over this uh, exponential moving average 50. And in that case, we are forming a hammer candlestick, and that's a bullish candlestick. I can show you if we go back. We have one. Zoom in a little bit. Here you can see for yourself what happened after. Here we have a hammer, and after a hammer, if the next candlestick is green, you are going to see continuing upwards price action. Let's jump back here. We also, if I zoom out a little bit, take away the ribbon, and we put up the Fibonacci retracement like that. You can see that approximately at this support area here, and if you add the ribbon again here, you see we have support and resistance areas, and also the Fibonacci 0.5. And you can see that if we are going above all these big resistance, support and resistance indicators here, we are most likely next week going to see prices of at least to the 38,000 areas for the Bitcoin price. Otherwise, if we close this candlestick under the ribbon here, it's more likely that we are going to test this support down here once again. And they say the more times you test a support and resistance line, the higher chance it is to break through. So this is the level under here, 20, about 24 to 27k under here is the next level to watch if we break this 29,700 level here. So I hope you enjoyed this quick update, and if you did so, please press the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell button also, so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And also, if you didn't watch my last video from yesterday when I talked about if the Bitcoin is still in a bull market or if it's a bear market, make sure to watch it as it pops up in the top of the screen right now. Otherwise, I wish you a great day and see you in the next video.